Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to download videos from Alibaba using your iPhone. Let's get started. First open the Alibaba app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Find the product page that has the video you want to download. Usually videos are near the product image. Some Alibaba videos can be downloaded directly. Tap on the video to see if there is a download button or save option. If yes, just tap it and the video will save to your phone Photos app. If there is no download button, don't worry, you can use screen recording. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center and tap the record button. Then play the video. Your phone will record while it's playing. When the video finishes, tap the red button at the top and select stop. Your recording will be saved to the Photos app. You can open it and trim the start or end if needed, so only the video content is saved. Now your video is ready. You can use it for personal references, presentations or offline viewing. And that's it. Downloading videos from Alibaba on your iPhone is easy. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.